Alright guys, so today we're going to do a geo on a GTR and just going to run through the steps and the processes of how we do it. So let's take a look. So this is a GTR 35, you can see it's got, he's put new tyres on it, so we need to do a geo on it. And he's got spacers all around, he's got a lip kit on it, he's got the spoiler riser on it, he's also got the little bit of disco on it, as you can see. Bring back the neons, as they say. So yeah, let's run through it. I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're just going to have a check underneath, thorough check arms and suspension, check tyre pressures, and then we'll put the sensors on and then go from there. Alright, so next we're putting on the sensors onto each wheel. Put them vertically so it reads from the laser at the top onto each wheel to determine where the cast is, the camber and the toe. So yeah, let me fit the rest and I'll show you. Alright, so now they're all on. Now we're going to bring the lasers down to level, as you can see. And as you see on the screen, it shows you when it's picking up, it's reading all four of the sensors. Sorry. Okay, so next we've got to put the brake on. We've got to pull all the pins out so that all the wheels are free, and then we're going to do the next step from there. So next I'm going to turn the wheel so it can read lock to lock, and then obviously we can get our adjustments from there to see what it reads. Alright, so next, as you can see, it's reading now with how the car is sitting at the moment. You can see on the rear, toe is fine, well it's within tolerance, offside is not. It's got quite a lot of aggressive camber, as you can see, because the car is lowered and he uses it on track quite a lot, and spirited driving. Front toe is out, hence why the car is pulling to the one side, and the caster as well is also set negatively. So yeah, let's adjust it. Alright, so we've made adjustments on the rear of the camber, which is here, and the toe. Always do camber first before toe, and as you can see on the screen here, we're within spec now. The owner would like a little bit more camber. It's obviously for track and a bit of joy racing. So yeah, we're going to tighten this up and then we'll move on to the front. Alright, so next what we're going to do is we're going to lock the wheel dead center, so that when we're doing adjustments on the front for the toe, the wheel isn't turning and then obviously you won't get it dead straight. So this will center the wheel and also obviously be able to center when you're making an adjustment for toe. Alright, so that's the alignment done. Printed off the sheet for the customer. We've done our own special sports setup for the car. So yeah, now we're just going to go on a road test, double check everything's good, steering wheel straight, and then yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. You want an alignment? Pull in. Pull in.